Best compact, mini top PKS for precision cutting. These small power tools offer versatility and ease of use. Perfect for quick, efficient cutting. Many models come with ergonomic desk and ensuring comfort during prolonged use. Lightweight and portably, they fit easily into toolboxes. This makes them perfect for on-the-go projects. List number 1 3625 mm 4-1 inch beveling. Experience precise cutting with the WEN 3625 circular saw. Its 5 mm motor delivers smooth, powerful performance. The compact design makes it easy to handle and maneuver. Featuring a built-in laser, it ensures accurate shoots every time. Comes with a handy carrying case for easy transport and storage. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Advantages: efficient cutting is a breeze with the powerful 5 mm motor. List number 2 Here mini circular saw 4 mm. Explore the power and precision of the Here mini circular saw. This compact tool delivers efficient wood shoots with its 4 mm motor and 3500 RPM speed. The laser guide ensures accurate lines, making each cut clean and professional. Featuring 224 TTCT blades, it handles various wood types effortlessly. The rib guide offers added control for straight, smooth edges. Perfect for DIY projects and home renovations. Advantages: compact design ensures easy maneuverability and tight spaces. Perfect for small workshops or home projects. List number 3 Circular saw with laser, TCCPO. Experience precision with the TCCPO mini circular saw. The built-in laser ensures straight, accurate shoots every time. Compact design makes handling easy, perfect for tight spaces. The powerful 4-8 mm motor delivers 3700 RPM for smooth cutting. Comes with 3 blades to tackle wood, steel, soft metal, and plastic. A scale ruler helps measure shoots with ease. Advantages: compact design offers easy handling and maneuverability. Perfect for tight spaces. List number 4 4 mm 3500 RPM mini circular saw. Discover the power of precision with the Unirvana mini circular saw. Compact size makes it easy to handle. Laser guide ensures straight, accurate shoots every time. Includes vacuum adapter for a cleaner workspace. Maximum cutting depth of 1-5-8-90 darjah angle. Comes with 2 durably 4-1-2-224 TTCT blades for versatility. Advantages: compact design offers ease of handling and tight spaces. Laser guide ensures precise and accurate cutting every time. List number 5 Pro 20V cordless mini circular saw. Discover the power and ease of the Pro 20V cordless mini circular saw. Compact and wireless, perfect for tight spaces. Comes with a 4-0 battery and fast charger for uninterrupted cutting. 3 blades offer flexibility for different materials. Laser guide ensures precise shoots every time. Shoots up to 1-11-16 deep at 90 darjah, making it versatile for various projects. Advantages: lightweight design ensures easy handling and less fatigue during use. Laser guide provides accurate shoots, boosting your woodworking precision.